Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix laptop flickering issue on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and right-click on your Start button. From here, go inside Device Manager. Then just expand this. From here, you need to go inside Monitors. Then just right-click on it and click on Update Driver. From here, click on Search automatically for drivers. Then, as you can see, the best drivers for my device are already installed. If yours aren't, it's gonna upgrade you to the latest version. So just click on Close. Then just right click on it again and click on Update Driver again and click on Browse My Computer for drivers. This is gonna try to locate some local files for reinstalling your drivers. So just click on Next. And if it says it's already upgraded, don't do anything. And if it says it found more latest drivers for you, just install them. Then just click on Close. Then just right click on it, click on Properties, then just go to the drivers. From here, you'll find the driver version as well as the driver date of your system. Now, if it's too old, it might cause problems, so make sure to update to the latest one. Click on OK. Another issue you could be facing because of the flickering is your graphics drivers are too outdated. So you need to update them, obviously. For that, you need to find out which graphics card you're using. It could be either from Intel, from Nvidia, or from AMD. So you can either go to their website and download their graphics driver upgrading pack and use their software to upgrade your driver, or just simply follow my steps. From here, just go to Display Drivers, right click on your graphics driver and click on Upgrade Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers, and it's gonna upgrade you to the best drivers. But it's always recommended to go to their website and upgrade your graphics drivers using that. So just close this. And if your display still flickers, try to go to Settings. And from Settings, try to go to Update and Security. From here, try to click on Check for Updates. Now, Windows is going to search and check for any Windows 10 updates for you. Try to keep your Windows updated to the latest version to avoid all these kind of issues. And after doing this, if you find any updates, just update your Windows. And then just go ahead and restart your PC and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix laptop screen flickering on your Windows 10 laptops. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.